You know what's wrong with most RSI indicators? They're always looking backward, telling you what already happened. By the time they give you a signal, the move's already over. And that's exactly why you need to see this AI-powered indicator that doesn't just show you current RSI, but also predict where RSI is heading next, using machine learning. And the best part is, it adapts to market conditions in real time. In this video, I'm going to reveal this indicator to you, show you the perfect settings for maximum accuracy, and give you 3 powerful strategies you can start using today. Let's get into it. To add this powerful indicator to your chart, first, head over to TradingView and pull up any chart you want. I'm using the 15-minute time frame on Euro-Dollar, but this works on any market, any time frame. Click on Indicators and type in AI-weighted RSI. Make sure you select the one by Zierman. Now, this isn't your regular RSI indicator. No, this is much better. Most RSI indicators just follow price movements and tell you what already happened. But this one, it uses AI to predict where RSI is heading next before traditional RSI even registers the change. Let me show you what makes it insanely accurate. You've got the color-coded histogram at the bottom. Green for bullish momentum, red for bearish pressure. But that's not all. See that signal line overlaying the histogram? That's your trend confirmation layer, smoothing out the predictions for clearer directional bias. And here's where it gets really powerful. The entire calculation is based on a correlation-weighted prediction system. For each bar, the indicator analyzes multiple features: log returns, RSI itself, volatility through ATR percentage, volume, and volume changes. It then measures which features have the strongest correlation with RSI over a rolling learning window, after which it gets standardized and weighted based on its correlation strength, building an adaptive prediction of the next RSI state. Now here's the truth. Most retail traders never figure out. You can learn every manipulation setup I just showed you, but if you're manually staring at charts, you'll always be the last one in and the first one out. That's exactly why we automate everything: entries, exits, and risk management. Our traders run these exact setups fully automated across Forex, crypto, and indices, and the results speak for themselves. Like Ethan, who got funded 3 different times using these systems, or Marion, who made $10,000 in just 10 days while still working full-time as a chef. These aren't what-ifs, they're real results happening inside our community every single day. If you want to see the live performance results and backtest data for yourself, click the first link in the description before the spots close. Disclaimer: this is for educational purposes only. Trading carries risk, and no strategy can guarantee results. Now, before I show you how to trade this special indicator, let's get your settings right. Double-click on the indicator to access the settings panel. You'll see 3 critical parameters that control how the AI learns and predicts. First is RSI length, which controls the look-back period for the core RSI calculation that feeds into the AI system. Keep this at 14, as it's the sweet spot that captures meaningful momentum without too much noise. Next is signal length, which determines how much smoothing is applied to the AI-weighted RSI output. Finally, there's learning window, also set to 20. Think of it as the AI's memory. 20 bars give it enough historical context to identify which features are currently driving RSI without including outdated information from different market regimes. After that, click OK. Now let me show you 3 ways to trade this AI-powered indicator, each one more powerful than the last. Strategy 1 is directional bias trading. The key here is reading the AI-weighted RSI relative to the 0 line. When the histogram is above 0, the AI is predicting bullish momentum bias. When it's below 0, it's predicting bearish pressure. But don't just blindly trade every cross of the 0 line. You want to wait for the signal line confirmation. For long entries, wait for the AI-weighted RSI histogram to turn green and cross above 0, with the signal line also moving up. This double confirmation means the AI prediction and the trend confirmation both agree. Then enter at the close of that candle. Place your stop loss below the recent swing low and target 1.5 times your risk. For shorts, follow the same process but in reverse. Strategy 2 is overbought to oversold reversals, and this is where the AI really shines. Remember those gradient fills we enabled? They highlight the extreme zones. So when the histogram pushes beyond plus 0.5, it means you're in AI-predicted overbought territory. And when it drops below minus 0.5, it signals you're in oversold conditions. But here's what separates this from regular RSI. These levels adapt based on which features the AI is currently weighing. In high volatility regimes, the thresholds effectively adjust wider, and in low volatility, they tighten. For long entries at oversold extremes, wait for the histogram to drop below negative 0.5 and turn darker red. Maximum bearish prediction. Then watch for the color change from red to green, signaling the AI has detected a momentum shift. Enter when the histogram crosses back through negative 0.5 with the signal line confirming upward movement. Place your stop just below the extreme low, and because these reversals from AI-confirmed extremes are high probability, you can target 2 times your risk. For shorts at overbought levels, wait for the histogram above plus 0.5 to shift from green to red, then enter when it crosses back down through plus 0.5. Strategy 3. Divergence detection is my favorite. The AI-weighted RSI is incredibly effective at catching divergences because it's forward-looking. A regular divergence happens when price makes a new high, but RSI makes a lower high, signaling weakening momentum. But with this AI version, you're seeing that weakness even earlier. For bullish divergences, watch for price making lower lows, while the AI-weighted RSI makes higher lows. This tells you the AI is detecting strengthening momentum even as the price appears weak. Wait for the histogram to cross above zero with signal line confirmation, then enter long. For bearish divergences, price makes higher highs, but AI-weighted RSI makes lower highs. Here's what separates profitable traders from everyone else watching this video. Retail keeps chasing breakouts and getting dumped on, while institutions pocket the profits. You can master every manipulation strategy I just showed you, but if you're trading manually, you'll burn out long before you ever get consistent results. That's why we built automated systems that hunt these manipulation moves 24/7. No emotions, no missed setups, just results. Over 600 traders are already using these exact systems, like Dan, who made $9,000 in his very first month, or Steven, who shows consistent overnight profits while he sleeps. But I only take on 30 traders each month because I personally guide everyone through setup to make sure you're getting results. So if you're serious about finally trading with the institutions instead of against them, click the first link now before spots fill up. Disclaimer: this is for educational purposes only. Trading carries risk, and no strategy can guarantee results. Now, these strategies only work their best when you've got the perfect settings for your market. For Forex pairs, set your RSI length to 14, signal length to 25, and learning window to 25. Forex markets have unique volatility patterns from institutional manipulation during session overlaps, so these settings give the AI enough data to learn those patterns while filtering out the noise. For crypto, drop your signal length to 15 and learning window to 15. Crypto moves fast and violently, so the AI needs to adapt quicker to regime changes. The shorter learning window means it prioritizes recent correlation data over older patterns. For stocks, increase your learning window to 30. Stocks trend more consistently than crypto, so the AI benefits from analyzing longer historical patterns. Set signal length to 20 for balanced smoothing. For gold, keep RSI length at 14, signal length at 20, and learning window at 20. Gold has explosive moves but also consolidates, so standard settings work well. The key with gold is watching for when the AI shifts its feature weighting from volatility dominant to volume dominant. That's when the big moves start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.